Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make oatmeal porridge or Labouyi Avwan. So to get started, you are going to be needing 1.5 cups of old-fashioned oats, and I have it soaked in 1.5 cup of water. And you are going to be needing some cinnamon sticks, and I also have some nutmeg that I'll be grating a little bit of. You need 1/2 cup of sugar and a little bit of lime zest, 1 can of 12-ounce carnation milk, and I have 1 cup of 1% milk, and I have some almond extract and some vanilla. And you're also going to be needing a pinch of salt. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video for you guys. So let's get cooking, guys. You want to go ahead and turn your stove on to medium high and wash the cinnamon sticks, and go ahead and add your milk. That's the whole the 1% milk, and I'm gonna go ahead and add that can of carnation milk as well. I love the flavor of carnation milk, so that's why I like to mix them both, because I just love how creamy it makes my oatmeal. And now you want to go ahead and add that lime zest. If you haven't, please go follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and also on Twitter, and come snap with us on Snapchat as well. All the links will be down in the description box. And I do have another channel where I only speak Haitian Creole, so go ahead and check out the other channel as well. So now I'm going to allow this to come to a boil, and then we can add our oatmeal to it. Alright, as you can see, my milk is starting to boil. I totally forgot to put that little salt. This I'm using a 1/8 teaspoon, but you can just do a pinch of salt. And then now I already went ahead and turned down the stove to medium low. So now you want to go ahead and put in your soaked oatmeal. Okay. You don't have to add the lime zest in there if you don't want to, but I just love the smell of lime zest. That's why I added in there. Okay. And now we are going to put our vanilla. This is 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. And this is 1/2 teaspoon of the almond extract. If you don't have almond extract, you can just use 1 teaspoon of vanilla, or if you have vanilla, if you have almond extract and not vanilla, you can just use 1 teaspoon. Okay, so now I'm going to grate some nutmeg, not too much. Again, I love nutmeg as well. Okay. And I'm going to go in with my sugar, that way everything can cook together. I'm going to reserve a little bit of that sugar, and I'll add it at the end. Oops, excuse me. I'll add it at the end if I need it. But I'm going to let this simmer for a good 20 to 30 minutes, but continue stirring it every 5 minutes or less. Come back and stir it to make sure nothing is sticking to the bottom. And if you realize your water is getting low or your milk is getting low, you can always add a little bit of warm milk to it. So again, we are going to let it simmer for a good 20 minutes until our oatmeal is very, very soft. Alright guys, my oatmeal is done. I went ahead and turned off my stove, and I removed the cinnamon sticks. And now we are going to taste, even though I know it's really, really hot. Bear with me. The oats are very, very soft. And you guys remember I didn't put all my sugar, so I still have that little bit of sugar left. You can definitely slice up some banana and put in your bowl when you are eating this. Or I like to cut up some little apples and put in mine. And I like to throw in some pieces of almond. But it's totally up to you. You can use whatever you like in yours. I'll give you guys a close-up look. As you can see, But this will do it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and please share this video with everybody you know. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.